Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Tiff here, and I'm back with another healthy hair video. And this time I'm talking about this beautiful Dutch halo. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you can get the scoop on how I achieve this look on medium to short hair. Alright, so I'm starting off on freshly washed and straightened hair. If you want more information about how I straighten my hair, I'll link the video above, but let's keep it moving. So you just want to make sure you create a part all the way from, I'd say, the top of your hair down to the back. It does not have to be super neat, but if you want it to be neat, that's perfectly fine. And the secret to this Dutch halo for me is going to be starting in the back. Because my hair is shaped and cut into different kind of layers, I found this a lot easier for me to start in the back, because then I can hide all of that going forward and then back around to the back of my hair. Once you start, you'll pretty much get a feel for how you're going to be doing this Dutch braid. So I started off as basically a French braid and not like a regular braid. And then obviously I just switched my hands as I got towards the front of my hair, and then just kept doing under, grabbing more hair, go under, grab more hair, and that was how I created the braid. Now, once I got back to the side of my hair, it was a lot easier because I am right-handed. It became a lot easier to just transition going across. But like I said, once you get a rhythm going, you'll get it, and it's super easy from there. And now remember, as you're braiding, you want to keep your hair, or you want to keep the braid fairly loose. So you don't want it to be too tight, but you don't want it to be too loose, because we're going to go back and do one more step once the braid comes back around to the back of the hair. Alright, so I'm at the back of my hair, and as you can see, I'm not finishing the ends very tight, but I am loosening it. And I'm just going to go ahead and separate right here, just start to separate the back of this last bit of braid, and then I'm going to tuck it and pin it away. And I'm just going to finagle with it a little bit just to try to figure out exactly the positioning of where I want this, so I can hide it behind the rest of my hair. So then I have a nice clean halo going all the way around. Now I'm just loosening up the braid from the beginning, so like I said, I can just hide it, the end part of the braid, right underneath of the beginning, and it looks like one continuous flow. Alright, so this is the part we are talking about, where we're going to go back in. We're literally going to loosen up the braid. So we're going to start from where we started with the braid, and then just gently open the braids up a little bit more. And this is what's going to give it that big full effect, as if we have super thick, big, voluminous hair. Alright, so I really like this very simple go-to Dutch goddess halo hairstyle. If you like it too, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you're going to try it, definitely tag me on my IG account. Otherwise than that, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys at the next one. Stay well, stay healthy, be blessed.